Hi everyone, welcome back to Vegan Kitchen. Today I am going to cook a vegan pineapple fried rice. So the ingredient today this is the main ingredient, the pineapple. And I also got carrot here and the white onion. Some sauce here, I got a couple of sauce today. I have mushroom sauces and sweet soya sauce and cashew nuts roasted, raised peppers, and also sultanas, my favorites, and it goes very well with pineapple fried rice. And we have spring onion to put in the fried rice and also like to decorate it afterward. So I'm now going to prep this pineapple. Today we make a pineapple fried rice served in a pineapple bowl. So we're gonna go and cook, and don't forget the overnight rice. So I had some rice here, and then we're gonna go and cook it over the hob over there. So now time to cook. So I'm gonna use a little bit of vegetable oil to do some stir fries. Spatula. So I'm gonna do some carrot for a few minutes until it softens. So now, after a few minutes, you can see the carrot is softened. So I'm gonna add some spring onion. Not spring onion. Some onion. I get so confused. So I'm gonna add some white onion. And I'm going to add some raised pepper. You can use like medium heat for now. I'm just going to add some pineapple. You cook it for a few minutes until everything is softened, and then you just add some sultana and then some sweet and soy sauce and mushroom sauce. Now I'm gonna add some mushroom sauce into the pan. And a sweet soya sauce. Smell really nice. I'm going to add some sultana and cashew nuts. And now you can add some rice into the pan and stir fry it. After you stir fry the rice, the last thing you're gonna put in is spring onion to add some color. So there we go. And you stir fry like this for maybe half a minute, and then we're gonna go and dish it up. That's it, really nice and easy vegan pineapple fried rice. So the ingredient will be in the description box down below. You can have a look and try to make one yourself at home. So this is the pineapple fried rice. I'm gonna serve in a pineapple bowl in a minute. So time to dish up the pineapple fried rice. Then this is what I'm talking about, the pineapple bowl I made earlier. And we're gonna place our fried rice in here. So this is pineapple fried rice. I've now decorated with the spring onion. And now you have pineapple fried rice for this week. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please try to make it at home and let us know down in the comment down below. And another way to serve, if you don't want to do the pineapple bowl, you just put in a little bowl and then put in a serving plate like this. So I'm going to do one in the bowl, then one on the plate as normal how we serve the food. So I'm gonna dish up. So this pineapple fried rice is really easy to make, and is they're vegan. So I use all the vegan ingredients, so meat free, dairy free. So this is the way how I serve my food normally, and you can just decorate it with spring onion and sesame seeds and things like that. So really nice and easy. So this is another pineapple fried rice. So you can serve it two ways. You can do one like this or other one like this. So thank you very much for watching today, and I will see you in the next video. So Love Vegan Kitchen will cook vegan foods every week. So we have the video coming up on Thursday at 7 o'clock UK time. So please do like and subscribe, and see you next time for more vegan food. Bye bye for today.